camera fan. So, who else has been victimized by Facebook Marketplace? You know, we got this sweet intake from, I think, Georgia. And you're sitting there and your little brother Ryan's showing off. He's got a blower and 2 tunnel rams, and you're thinking, oh, you know, I got this wimpy little single plan in my Camaro. You know, why can't I have a tunnel ram? You know, I'm the big brother. I should have a tunnel ram too. So you're cruising around to search old tunnel ram, big block Chevy. You know, wow, cool. $300. What could go wrong? First off, you look at this sweet box and you kind of say, that could leave something to be desired. But it's the gift that keeps on giving. So you slide her on out. Don't judge a book by its cover. Hello, beautiful. Well, Wilbur. You know, all in all, you kind of start looking at it and say, hey, this ain't so bad. This ain't so bad. And then you see what I believe to be feces. I think that is bird droppings on my intake. You know, that's what they say about big box Chevys. They do like the bird droppings. And you know, it just keeps getting better. The hits keep on rolling, okay? We have an intake bolt broken off. When things get more suspect, you look inside ye old water jacket. That, my friends, is epoxy. So I think Facebook Marketplace is the devil. This thing got dropped. Look at this big old, look at ridge right there. It looks like she full facial to the floor. And who knows if that was when like that when he sent it. Nothing risked, you know, nothing, what is that? What is it saying? How does that go?
Nothing risked, nothing gained.
Nothing risked, nothing gained. What something about adventure and
I don't know. I don't know the sayings.
face out.
What is this?
I believe that could be packed full of the dropping. I think you gotta tell by the taste. You just gotta leak it. You gotta lick that little hole right there and see what it tastes like. This hole's partway broken off. Overall, a solid score though. I mean, geez. You don't get much better than that. It's a rectangle port too. And you know what they say about rectangle port big box Chevy heads? They're not big enough. They're not big enough. So you gotta open her up even more. So I don't know what head you're gonna put on this engine. I don't know. Give them tricked old 365 CNC port. Then you're gonna put this Billy Bob and Cletus effing intake on it. $10,000 engine and a $300 intake? I don't think so. If nothing else, it'll look really good sitting next to the other ones, right? You just sit right next to the other ones on the shelf. That's $300. That's worth it, huh? Who else has been victimized by Facebook Marketplace? You know, I think we all have a story. I think we've all been there. If it ain't got you yet, it's gonna get you. The more I look at it, the more I like it, though. I think we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it work. What do you think, Ryan?
Your time is free, but you got to bill for your hours.
Right. You're just sitting at home, got nothing to do, watching NASCAR on the dang TV, sitting there having a Coca-Cola over here in the Great White North. We drink the real stuff, you know, not the unleaded. What do you think, Ryan?